So I've been testing indoor pizza ovens recently. And I'll be honest, this is one of those gadgets that can either completely change your cooking experience or just end up collecting dust. And the difference really comes down to how easy they are to use and how good the results actually are. Because making pizza at home sounds great, but if the oven takes too long, cooks unevenly, or feels complicated, you're not going to use it often. So let's get into it. The Ooni Volt 2 feels like the closest thing to having a professional pizza oven at home, but in an indoor-friendly setup. The first thing I noticed is how quickly it heats up, which is important because you don't want to wait forever just to cook one pizza. Once it's ready, the cooking performance is impressive. It gets hot enough to give you that crispy base and nicely cooked toppings at the same time. What really stood out is how consistent it is. You don't have to constantly adjust or guess, it just delivers solid results. The controls are also easy to understand, so you're not overwhelmed with settings. It's slightly more premium, but once you use it, it feels worth it. This is the kind of oven you'd get if you're serious about making great pizza at home. The Breville BPZ820BSS feels more like a smart, well-balanced option for everyday use. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with too many features, but everything it offers feels refined. When I used it, I noticed how evenly it cooks pizza, especially the crust, which is usually where most ovens struggle. The temperature control is accurate, and it gives you enough flexibility to cook different styles of pizza. It's also easy to operate, which makes it more practical if you're using it regularly. The build quality feels solid, and overall it gives you a reliable experience without needing constant adjustments. This is the kind of oven that fits well into a normal kitchen routine without feeling complicated. The Cuisinart indoor pizza oven feels like a more accessible option, especially if you're just getting into making pizza at home. It's easy to set up, easy to use, and doesn't require much effort to get started. When I used it, I noticed that it handles basic pizza styles well, giving you a decent crust and evenly cooked toppings. It may not reach the extreme temperatures of premium ovens, but for everyday use, it performs well. It's also lightweight and compact, which makes it easier to store. This is the kind of oven you'd go for if you want something simple that still improves your homemade pizza experience without going all in on a high-end setup. The Breville Crispy Crust feels like a more casual, straightforward option that focuses on ease of use. When I tested it, I liked how simple it is to operate. You don't need to think too much, just set it up and start cooking. It doesn't have the same power as higher-end models, but it still manages to deliver a nice, crispy base, which is what most people are looking for. It's also compact, so it doesn't take up too much space in your kitchen. This is a good option if you want something that works well for occasional use without needing advanced features. The Breville Pizzaiolo is easily one of the most impressive indoor pizza ovens I've tried. It's designed to replicate the high heat of traditional pizza ovens, and you can feel that difference when cooking. The crust comes out crispy, the toppings cook evenly, and the overall result feels very close to restaurant quality pizza. What I liked is how it gives you different settings for different pizza styles, so you can experiment without guessing temperatures. It does take a bit of time to get used to it, but once you understand how it works, the results are consistently great. This is the kind of oven you get if you want the best possible pizza experience at home. After using all of these, it really comes down to how serious you are about making pizza. If you want the closest thing to a professional setup, the Ooni Volt 2 and Breville Pizzaiolo stand out. If you want something more balanced for everyday use, the Breville BPZ820BSS is a great choice. For beginners or casual use, the Cuisinart and crispy crust options work well. At the end of the day, the best pizza oven is the one that makes you actually want to use it regularly.